No one says it to your face, but they can feel it. The way you walk, the way you speak, the way you let things slide. And without realizing it, you've trained people to not respect you. But here's the truth. Respect isn't given, it's taught. Marcus Aurelius once said, "Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one." And that's exactly where most people fail. They talk about respect, they complain about being ignored, but their actions silently scream weakness. Today, I'll show you why nobody respects you, and more importantly, how to fix it. Number 1. You tolerate disrespect. The first reason, you tolerate what you shouldn't. Every time you stay silent when someone crosses the line, every time you laugh off disrespect, you send a message, this is okay. Stoics understood this deeply. You don't control how others act, but you always control what you allow. If you keep allowing low behavior, you will keep receiving low respect. Fix it. Start setting quiet boundaries. Not with anger, not with drama, but with calm, firm action. Sometimes respect begins the moment you're willing to walk away. Number 2, you seek approval. The second reason, you care too much about what others think. You try to please everyone. You avoid conflict. You say yes when you want to say no. And slowly, people stop seeing you as strong. They see you as easy. Stoicism teaches indifference to opinions, not arrogance, but inner stability. When your mood depends on others' approval, you lose power. Fix it. Start making decisions based on your values, not validation. The moment you stop chasing approval, people start noticing your presence. Number 3, your words have no weight. The third reason, your words mean nothing. But you don't follow through. You make promises, but break them. And over time, people stop taking you seriously. Respect is built on consistency. Not big speeches, but small actions repeated daily. Fix it. Say less. Do more. If you say something, make it happen, even in small things. Because a man who keeps his word commands silent respect. Here's the harsh truth. People don't disrespect you randomly. They respond to the standards you set. And if you've been disrespected for a long time, it's not permanent. It's just a pattern. And patterns can be broken. Start moving differently. Stop explaining yourself to everyone. Stop accepting what drains you. Stop shrinking to make others comfortable. Be calm, but not weak. Be kind, but not passive. Because real respect isn't loud, it's felt. And once you build it within yourself, the world has no choice but to reflect it back. If this opened your eyes, don't just watch it, apply it. Because the moment you change your standards, everything around you changes.